Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to access the Bloomberg Terminal. This powerful tool is primarily utilized by financial professionals for real-time market data, news, and analytics. Access is typically granted through institutional subscriptions, common in banks, investment firms, and corporations. While individual subscriptions are available, they come with a substantial annual fee, often exceeding $24,000. Many universities also provide access to their students and faculty, offering a valuable resource for academic research. For those working in large financial institutions, accessing a Bloomberg terminal is usually straightforward. Your employer will typically provide dedicated terminals within the office, or you'll have access directly from your workstation. You'll receive specific login credentials, ensuring secure and authorized use. Many institutions also offer remote access options, allowing you to connect to the terminal's features from outside the office. Comprehensive training is often part of the onboarding process, helping you maximize its capabilities. If you're a student or faculty member, your university might be your best bet for accessing a Bloomberg terminal. Many academic institutions, especially those with strong business or finance programs, maintain dedicated Bloomberg labs. These labs typically house a specific number of terminals, often between 5 and 20, available for student and faculty use. Access might require a reservation or be limited to certain operating hours. Universities often provide introductory training sessions to help you get started. For individuals without institutional or academic affiliations, direct access to a Bloomberg terminal is possible but comes at a significant cost, often exceeding $24,000 per year. While a trial period might be offered, it's usually brief. Some third-party services provide limited access to certain Bloomberg data, but not the full terminal experience. If your needs are specific, consider exploring alternative data providers or financial news platforms that might offer more affordable solutions tailored to your requirements.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.